Did you know that 60% of branding is perception and only 40% is about your product or service? In fact, branding is the bedrock foundation underpinning your whole business, not marketing or design. So getting your brand strategy right is actually critical to your success. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. Join me inside my new 6-week complimentary fast injection branding masterclass series to unlock the exact systems and processes used to build standout brands with big brand know-how. You'll also get my complimentary 20 to 25 page workbooks with each live streaming masterclass to enable you to implement all these insider tips so you can get results faster to build your brand and grow your business. It's also your opportunity to pick my brains and leverage over 20 years of award-winning branding experience and expertise so you're empowered to transform your brand and increase your sales. Click the link for more details and secure your spot now. I look forward to meeting you there.